Beaver Fever Race. We're about to get started here. This is Kevin, our Bucky's mascot from Spinistry. He's about to separate out the group to try to get the fast guys up front and reduce the little clutter here at this corner we got up ahead of us. The sprint is about 50 feet right into a left-hand turn on gravel. So it's not ideal for a start, but it's the best that we could do with what we had here for this race. And originally I was thinking about going for the whole shot, but with this short start, I was not in a great position to try to take that. Joey was on my right, starting on my right, and when he got up beside me, I went ahead and backed off so that he could have the turn.
Everybody knows, left through the gate on the trail, correct?
Yeah. We're about to get started here.
Get set, go, 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 go!
There's a thing called like a forced inside turn, where you just kind of pinch off anybody trying to come up on your inside, and that's basically what he did on that corner there. And then Toby kind of moves over on me there, throws me a little elbow, but I was already yielding to him. I was going to let him over. And we're not riding real good here. There's not a lot of good line choices from Toby in front of me, and so we're kind of just getting a little squirrely. And then right up here, he swings out, almost hits that stump, and it led me right into it. I missed it with my front wheel, but then started hitting it with my back wheel, and I got scared I was going to take off my rear derailleur on it. So
What happened, David?
Hit that stump. This race didn't go well for me. I had several more mistakes afterwards. I don't think my head was in the right place when I started this one, and then I ended up, to top all that off, getting a sidewall gash, one of the big drops out there, and hit a rock at the bottom and sliced my tire. Tried to get it to seal up, and it wouldn't seal, and I used up all my air cartridges on it, and so then I ended up having to walk several miles back to the car, which was enjoyable. So this one's a DNF for me, and hopefully I'll do better next time. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and if you got any comments down, put them down below for me, and let me know what you think.